again. In light of the current economic climate, with soaring fuel costs and the environmental climate with rising greenhouse gases, if you had to travel to London in the next few weeks, what mode of transport would you take? Jin Teh.
We have been hit by lots of calamity, economic downturn, and fuel costs rising. But then again, all this, would that make me change my mind in terms of how I travel to London? Well, let me share you the story that my mom used to tell me on how to face situation or making such a decision. The story starts with once upon a time, there was a mouse deer who stayed in a jungle, and then he saw another piece of land across the river. It was a big river. And then in the river, there are lots of crocodiles. So if I look at the story, I look at the crocodiles as the challengers, tasked to get over the jungle. And the mouse deer, he really likes to go over there because that's like the jungle. They have trees that grows the fruits that he likes. So then quickly he thought, okay, in order for me to get there, I must trick the crocodile. So then he told the first crocodile that the king of the jungle is going to have a big feast. So can you ask all the crocodiles to queue up along the river so that I can count how many of you will be participating in the feast. So then the crocodile told the other crocodiles, and then the crocodiles, they all line into a straight line for the mouse deer to pass across to the other side of the jungle. And the mouse deer say that you can't eat me, because if you eat me, then I can't invite you all to the feast. So then the mouse deer happily run across the crocodiles and then get over to the side of the jungle. So and then say that actually there's no such feast at all, so you all have been tricked. The moral of the story is, no matter it's economic downturn or the rising price of fuel, we must think of a way, a better way. Probably at this moment, the cheapest way is to travel by plane, or the next time the cheapest way is to travel by train or by car. So we need to suit in that situation. So in order to answer your questions, it depends on what the cheapest mode of transport that I would like to take. Thank you very much.